Disappointing first quarter GDP numbers shows that Ramaphosa has not yet impacted the bottom line economy. Growth remains unbalanced with the most important sectors not really pulling weight yet. The weak first quarter growth number will definitely put the 2018 growth target set in the February budget under strain and might result in the fiscal targets being missed. This scenario will bring back the credit ratings downgrade risk to the table. The numbers definitely point out that we need to have much more realistic expectations on the current changes implemented by the new leadership. These changes might take months, if not years, to bear fruit, given the structural issues within our economy. To date, the leadership changes had a positive impact on confidence and trust, but we need to see how we can turn this into the bottom line economy. The Rand showed us today that it didn't agree with the weak numbers and depreciated by more than 10% after the numbers were released, showing that the market is really disappointed on the progress year to date. So for the quarter, we declined 2.2%, and that's a huge disappointment, bringing the year-on-year number to only 0.8%, still way behind population growth in South Africa. As expected, the tailwind from last year's strong agricultural rebound faded in the first quarter and contributed to the decline in the primary sector, taking also into account that we're measuring from a high base here, but we can't expect agriculture to keep on contributing like it did last year. The biggest contribution came from government, up 1.8%, on the back of increased public sector employment. This doesn't, however, bode well for fiscal targets and the current bloated government wage bill. It is positive to see that household expenditure increased by 1.5%, pointing to the consumer remaining relatively resilient in the current environment. With one negative quarter behind us, the big question now is whether we can avoid another negative quarter next quarter, which will push South Africa into a technical recession. Let's hope that Ramaphosa can soon start to impact the bottom line economy.